So what's up guys, I'm back at it again for another video, and for today's video we will do our fifth experiment about the NAND gate circuit on a breadboard and the combination of the NOT and gate on the circuit breadboard. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! And for the objectives for experiment number 5 is to examine the characteristics and operation of a TTL NAND gate. To implement NAND function using combination of AND and NOT gates. And for the equipment and materials, we have 5 volts DC power supply, 1 piece of 74 LS00 or the quad 2 input NAND gate, and 1 piece of 74 LS04 the hex inverter gate, and 1 piece of 74 LS08 the quad 2 input AND gate, and 1 piece of 5mm red LED, and 1 piece of 220 ohms resistor, and we have 2 pieces of SPDT switch or the toggle switch, and 1 piece of breadboard and a jumper wires. And for the introductory information here, and this is the logic symbol for a 2 input NAND, the figure 1, and this is the combination of logic gates required to implement NAND function, the figure 2. So for the procedure 1, construct on the breadboard the NAND gate circuit shown in figure A. This is the figure A. So as you can see, this is the NAND gate circuit on a breadboard, and this is the 74 LS00 or the quad 2 input NAND gate, and this is the 220 ohms resistor, and this is the 5mm LED red light, and this is our 2 toggle switch, and this is our alternative power supply. So in the 74 LS00 I pinned in the pin 1 and pin 2 the toggle switch for the input, and for its output I pinned the resistor in the pin 3 of the 74 LS00 connected to the red LED, and this is the positive line and this is the negative line. So now let's try the truth table of the NAND gate. The NAND gate is the NOT AND. So when we input 0 and 0, the output is 1 because it inverts. When we input 0 and 1, the output is 1 again. When we input 0 and 1, the output is 1. When we input 1 and 1, the output is 0. Construct on the breadboard the NOT AND gate circuit shown in figure B. This is the figure B, the NOT AND gate circuit. So now as you can see, this is the combination of the quad 2 input AND gate and the hex inverter. And to the AND gate I pinned the toggle switch, the 2 toggle switch into the pin 1 and pin 2, and the out of it connected to the hex inverter in the pin 1. So the pin 2 of the hex inverter is connected to the LED light. Now let's try the truth table of the NAND gate. So when I input 0 and 0, the output is 1. When I input 0 and 1, the output is 1. And when I input 1 and 0, the output is 1. When I input 1 and 1, the output is 0. And that's all for today guys. I hope you learned something from this video. Keep safe and stay at home. God bless.